guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my midweek, but guess what, y'all? Nobody got a midweek. Nobody got a midweek. Now, I'm trying to look at this and we got one side says, hopefully they're gearing up for something super, super, super special, and that's why we didn't get a midweek. The other side says, well, maybe they're just getting rid of the midweeks and the weekends, because as y'all know, they've been so hit and miss lately that it's not even funny. They skipped me out for 3 weekends in a row, then I got a weekend, then I didn't get a midweek. Well, none of us got a midweek. And so I'm hoping that they're not getting rid of them. Now, if they're deciding to replace the midweek and the weekends for larger monthly bonuses, I'm okay with that. I think that would be cool. What do you guys think in the comments? I think a monthly would be cool. As long as they don't go any higher with the rebates that we need to get. At the same time, I do say that if there is no incentive, then I do think that we're going to do a lot less. Because I know me personally, if I don't have to do 10 offers, then I'm probably not going to do 10 offers. You know what I mean? And so hopefully they're not just getting rid of them altogether. If this is your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well. And so what I wanted to mention today was Social Nature really quick. So I just started using Social Nature literally like this last month or so. And they do have a lot of freebies on there from time to time. You just gotta make sure to check it every couple of days, I would say. They actually got some beach nut ones on here that popped up today. They send you a text letting you know when it was approved or whatever, if it was approved, and then they send you an email. When they send you the email, it's a not verification email, but it's a confirmation email where you have to actually accept the payment in that email. And so when I first started using it, I didn't know that. It's basically like Flavor Wiki. That's how they do it. When they pay you, they send you an email. I don't like when they do it like that though, because it's like, what if you are just not aware of, like me, I wasn't aware, right? So it's like, you're missing out, right? So I really truly think that if they have all your information, that it should just go straight to your PayPal. You shouldn't have to get the email. Of course we want the freaking payment. We did the survey, we got the product, we submit the receipt, right? So I had to put a ticket in with them so that they can resend me the first 2 offers that I did, which I think was the Shar. I had to do the same thing with Flavor Wiki. They were able to resend me all of the emails, and so hopefully they can do that for me. But if you're new to Social Nature, that's how they do it. So just a heads up for you, because I don't know if anybody mentioned it yet, but just so you know, right? Other than that, you guys, I'm gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
Alright guys, so this first deal is going to be on the tea, which is way down there. But my store finally started clearancing out some of their coffee. So they have this one here for $6.99. They have that one there. And a lot of these are like funky flavors. Like, I'm just a regular girl. Like, I just want regular coffee. Like, I don't need nothing extra special at all. This one is 2. I did grab one of these. I think I grabbed this one here. And I grabbed the one that was right here as well. But yeah, I'm just a regular girl. I have to have my coffee every day. And I just want regular coffee. Nothing special, no extra spices and nothing else. There you go there. Those are there, already gone. But yeah, check your aisles. We're not gonna go through everything because it's not that serious. Not that serious. What I got was I got the Tazo tea. They had some here that were right here for $1. I'll insert a picture because I did take a picture that day. Getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. There's also brand club surveys as well. So you grab one for $1. You'll get back 75 on Ibotta. Actually, the brand club survey is for $165. Now, with this survey, I believe you have to buy an item that is on the list within Brand Club, if that makes sense. Kind of like how it was before. It's not an instant reward, so you do have to make a purchase to get that back. And then I have the instant rewards, 55, 50, and 45 that I'll be doing as well. It'll basically make all 5 of them free plus a $2.15 moneymaker, which is an awesome deal. So next up is the Toasteds. It's on the flatbread crackers. We got these before a couple weeks ago. This offer just popped up on Fetch Reward, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it again. They're priced at $3.64. Now for this, you can grab 3. So grabbing 1, you're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta. You'll get back 1,000 points on Fetch Reward, which is $1. And then I also have brand club surveys as well for 55 cents. So if I grab 3, 1 will be 9 cents, 14 cents, and 19 cents, which is definitely not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal is on the body armor. I believe the light ones cost more. I think they do. So you want to grab the original ones. They're priced at $127. I'll be grabbing 2 of them, paying $2.54 out of pocket, getting back $1.50 for buying 2 for Walmart cash. You might still have this offer on Ibotta. I've already done it there, but I do have the offer for Walmart cash. And then I have a brand club survey as well for $125, making them both free plus a 21-cent moneymaker. All right, so this is just a heads up. This deal is still good. Isn't this a pretty print, you guys, with the cherries and the blue and the red? That's so pretty. But listen, so this deal is still going on. It's on the Pepsi. You want to text better with Pepsi to 81234, and you'll get up to $2.50 back. Now, heads up, I am still waiting. I had to shoot them an email, and they said it's still processing. And so for this, you want to grab 1. Again, you'll get back up to $2.50 back. Now, one of you guys was asking, does it work on the Pepsi Zero or the diets? I'm not sure if it works on any other flavor. I got the original one. For those of you who have done this deal, did you get different flavors? Because I'm honestly not sure. I would love to get the zero sugar one, of course. And so, yeah, another offer is on the Oatly oat milk. It is priced at $4.98. This is a freebie on Ibotta, and so I definitely had to grab it. Now, I think it might unlock some offers on Brad Club for surveys. If it does, it'll make it a small money maker. Next up is the Ajax. Now, for this, you want to grab the 28 ounce. They have the lemon one, they have the orange one, and my store has not restocked on the purple one yet. And so we're going to be grabbing one of these priced at $2.74. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta. There's also 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $160. And then I do have brand club surveys as well, making it a 41-cent moneymaker. Now, the limit on Shopkick is 4, so I went ahead and grabbed 4. Getting back 2 brand club surveys, 1 for 55 and 1 for 50, will still make all 4 of them free plus a 49-cent moneymaker. All right, guys. So this next deal I grabbed again was on the Raid Light Trap. Y'all know I had bought like 4 of them, and I tried to submit it on 2 of the sister apps. Both of those apps rejected it, so I was able to find more. When I came back, I bought 1, and then the next day Inbox had rejected it, so I bought another one for $5 on clearance, and then I got back the 10 on Inbox. So this next deal was on the Raid. I hope you guys got in on this deal when I posted my last video, because it was double attaching. It has since been fixed, or when it reset, the $1.51 is no longer attaching. So for this, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of them, priced at $5.47. I got back 9 from Ibotta. I did get back $1 on Alexa, and I got back 170 points on my points, which is just 106. So it makes them both free plus a 12-cent moneymaker. Now I went ahead and grabbed an additional one on a second transaction for Walmart cash, and submitted that receipt to ShopMeum and Inbox dollars, and it made that one only 47 cents. So again, I really hope y'all got in on that when you did, because I mean, it's still a good deal, even without the double attaching, because you grab 1 at $5.47, get back 3 on Ibotta, $1 on ShopMe, $1 on Swagbucks would still make it like 47 cents, right? So that's still not a bad deal. So I did mention this in my last video as well. It's on the Carefree. It's on the newer ones. They're priced at $7.48. You're gonna grab 1 of them. You'll be getting back $5 on Ibotta. There's also $5 on ShopMeum, and I did go for the 850 points on my points, which is 534. It did go through for me, plus a 55-cent brand club survey makes that an $8.41 moneymaker. Now, this one did reset for me on Ibotta as well as Walmart rewards. So I went ahead and did. I'm going to do it again today. And so, yeah, an $8.41 moneymaker. Now, I went ahead and grabbed one for Walmart rewards as well because I figured, hey, why not? Okay, now I went ahead and grabbed the Carefree 36 count as well. It's priced at $3.58. Now I do have offer on ShopMim and Alexa. That's $3 back when you buy two that it is glitching with. So I grabbed the other one at $7.48 and grabbed this one as well. And so I did get back that $3. So for this deal, we're grabbing one at $3.58, getting back $1 on Ibotta, $3 on ShopMim, and then 50 cents brand club survey. Makes it a 92-cent moneymaker. And again, I did one set for Ibotta and one set for Walmart rewards. Just checking the clearance section. I almost never get too lucky over here. But I did find the Carvana Stain Devils on clearance. I think I saw a few other people post that these were on clearance for $1, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. I believe there are brand club surveys as well, which would make one a 5-cent moneymaker and one free. And so I'm going to go ahead and just grab two. All right, so this next is going to be on the Sheck Extreme Razors. They're priced at $6.78. Now, I don't have this offer on Ibotta. However, I do still have it on for Walmart rewards. So I went ahead and grabbed one, priced at $6.78. I got back two for Walmart rewards, $4 on ShopMim, and it did work for 680 points. Which is $4.27 on my points. So it's just going to make this a $3.49 moneymaker. Now, you might have it on Ibotta, but I think I already did mine, so that's why I don't have it. So, yeah. This next deal is on the Secret deodorant. We're going to grab one price at $5.97, getting back $8 on Ibotta. There's also 950 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.80. And then I have a brand club survey for 55 cents, bringing that down to only 62 cents. All right, guys, so this is the last deal. So big shout out to you. Yes, you, if you made it to the last deal. In the comments, I want to see a star eye emoji if you got to the very last deal. It's on the Dove Sculpt and Hair Therapy. So I'm grabbing this deal again because I do have an offer on Fetch Reward that's spend 20, get back 3. And then I also have it buy 2, get back 3. Total for both is going to come to $19.96, getting back 3 for each on Ibotta, 800 kicks, which is $3.20 for each on Shopkick, and then $6 on Fetch, making them only 78 cents each. Here is our complete haul for today. This worked out so amazing, you guys. Better than I thought. I used all of the apps today, y'all, except I think Merryfield. I think that was the only one I didn't use. I used 13 apps, which is crazy, right? And so this worked out better than I expected. Now, I did go to Dollar Tree. I did the Rockstar theirs just because it's cheaper than anywhere else right now. And so pay $2.50 for 2, get back 5 through aisles. Again, that offer can be done every other week, and it is running all the way through to December 30th, which is awesome. I did go to CVS as well. I did the band there. That's the only deodorant that Joseph uses, and so whenever I can grab it, unscented, roll on, I'm good. So lately, CVS has been emailing me $5 purchase, either the $5 or $4 purchase, extra care bucks. So I had 2 on 2 different cards, and I grabbed that since he was out, and so we grabbed it at $7.29. I got $5 off with that purchase, extra care buck. I paid $2.29, and then I got back 2 in extra care bucks, which is right there. And then that's both of the receipts. I did it 2 times. So it made it only 29 cents, which I thought was a really great deal. Now, the ban did pop up on ShopMim Alexa across the board. ShopMim, it did say it had to be activated prior to purchase, so I didn't get anything there. I did submit a receipt on Swagbucks and Inbox. It's in review, so I'll let you know if that works out. Without it, 29 cents is freaking awesome, right? And so those are the only 2 stores that I added with Walmart this week. The Carefree, I ended up doing it 4 times. Today I did Swagbucks and I did Tada. And my last trip I did Inbox and My Points, and it is working. Okay, it went straight through, and so that was awesome. The Sheck also worked as well. And I think those are the only things. And then this was the rate that I grabbed, you guys. That one is ripped at the top. It's kind of like the one that I didn't want to get, but it was the last one. And they had put it back on the shelf, but it was literally in the wrong spot. It was in like a spot that said like $28 or something like that. And so I was able to grab that again, which is really cool. Other than that, you guys, I can't think of anything else to add. Again, we did use all of the apps today. Everything you see here retails $143.54. I had the $10 in CVS coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $133.54. And then our sales tax was $637. Now, what we got back was $41.23 from Ibotta. My points was $21.38. Walmart cash. I did more Walmart cash today than I have been doing because I was just like, why not, right? And so I got back $18.50 from there. Shopkick is $16.98. Inbox dollars was $16. Shopmium was $13. Aisles for the Rockstar was $10. Brand Club is $9.60, which is a lot of surveys. You guys, for Brand Club, I set my alarm. One of you guys had mentioned setting your alarm. And I gotta say, that's like the best advice I can give you to stay on track, because it's easy to let the time just keep slipping and slipping and slipping until it rolls into a whole nother day. And so, yeah, $9.60 from Brand Club. Fetch Reward was $9. Alexa is $9. Swagbucks is $5. Tada is $5. And then we got back the $4 in extra care bucks. And so we walk away with a total of $178.69 in rebates plus extra care bucks. It makes this a $45.15 money maker, y'all, which is awesome because I didn't even expect that. I was just like, this is going to be a little sucky little haul. But I didn't expect that. So I'm super, super stoked about it. As far as emoji, you guys that made it at the end because Josiah is still at school, I want to see a love emoji, all right? Whatever that is to you, I want to see it in the comments because I'm just feeling some type of way right now. Y'all know that David is graduating. His graduation is at the end of this month. So I'm going to go out to Pittsburgh and see him, and I'm so excited. So I'm feeling love, right? I'm feeling love, and I'm just amazed. I'm just so amazed at this. I just had him, and he brought the graduate from high school. And so I want to see a love emoji in the comments. I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.